Hello everyone, and this is Rihanna from typingtofreedom.com, and today I am reviewing Money on Demand by Ewen Chia. So Ewen is actually a pretty well-known affiliate marketer and email marketer. He's pretty well-known in the online domain. But if you don't know about him, don't worry. I understand. Although he's been in business since 1997, I'd never heard of him until I actually started my online business. So if you're wondering whether this is going to be a good investment and whether you're really going to make hundreds of dollars every day with what's taught within the program, then you've landed upon the right review. I'll be going over what you get with your investment, what is taught, and also let you know, based on my experience with online marketing, whether this is going to help you achieve the financial freedom that you've been looking for. So, what is money on demand? So basically here, money on demand, Ewan, he starts by asking you whether you want to swap places with him and make money on autopilot while you literally do nothing, right? Cash keeps coming in and you do literally nothing. But my counter question to that is, would your shop make money if you were closed every day? No, right? There's nobody working. Your customers can't come into your shop to see what you have and pay for the stuff that they're interested in getting, right? So no, you won't make any money. It's the same thing here. Even telling you that you can do literally nothing and make money is just a hype that I have seen too many times, right? And it's the same thing with every single one of his systems. The truth is that you can only start making money after you work hard and establish your business, right? You won't make money doing nothing, especially not as a newbie, right? You have to be willing to put in some work at the beginning, even if you're not making a penny. This is not a job, it's a business, right? You have to invest in learning, in tools, in your education, in all of that. So, you have to be willing to work for free for some time before your business can start making you money, right? If you don't work, you're not going to make anything. He even asks you why you think that nothing has worked for you at this point. So let me just scroll down to where he says this. So he asks you here, where is it? Uh, oh, did I? Yeah, I think I passed it. Okay, just give me one sec here. I'm just trying to find it because there's, oh, here it is. Why hasn't anything worked? Not even a little, even though other people are doing it. Yeah, you see, $0 to this. Well, he gives you the reason. He says that the courses you buy online that promise you to help you make money online are all a smokescreen. They're scams. They're only after your money, and they draw the veil on the way that they actually generate money, so they can make money off of you, right? And I do agree with him. 90% of make money online systems, they never ever want you to know the secret of how they make money online, and thus they just feed you bullcrap, right? But I also believe that the reason people keep falling for those scams and they never get anywhere with online business is because they expect to make money without doing any work, just like how Ewan himself is advertising this program, right? People just want money to magically appear in their bank accounts while they do nothing. Well, that's not how it works. Business is business, right? If you want to work and get paid every 2 weeks, then making money online and from home is not for you, okay? But anyways, let me get into the training. So, um, this is what you're gonna land on after you buy the system. And you have the welcome video, right? I mean, that's it. There's really nothing really extraordinary about this. That's the home page. So let's go to the core of the training, which is the coaching. So as you can see here, you have 5 training videos. And going through the training, I see that Ewan has some pretty good stuff regarding email marketing and affiliate marketing. But if you're an intermediate or advanced marketer already, you're not going to be learning anything new. It's nothing revolutionary. It's just going to be a waste of time and money for you. But let me go over what you get with each, what you learn with each video. So video number 1 will introduce you to email marketing. Video number 2 will introduce you to affiliate marketing. Video number 3 right here is going to teach you about about how to set up your squeeze page and your autoresponder and how to get subscribers. Coaching video number 4 is about traffic generation strategies, and it's mostly going to revolve around solo ads. And the last video, I don't really believe that it's a coaching video, because all he really tells you here is that you have to duplicate the process, and he also introduces you to an upsell here, which I don't think is appropriate for a coaching video, right? But that's really it for the training, right? I mean, see, there's nothing else. Most of the videos are around 30 minutes long, which I think is okay. It's a good length. But you're not going to become a pro with only 2 hours of information, right? I didn't count the last video because, you know, it doesn't really teach you anything new here. In my opinion, the system is not really worth the $37 because it's information that you can find for free online if you do some research, right? Most of the information he touches upon can be found on YouTube too, just so you know. I mean, if I had to put a price tag to this training with, you know, the work, the information that he's giving you, I would probably put put it up for $10, right? It's not worth more than $10. So you're really overpaying for this. It's a ripoff, right? But let me also tell you why I'm so disappointed with the training. You do learn a few good things being a newbie, you know, about email marketing and affiliate marketing, but he only shows you one side of the whole business. And he shows this to you as if this should be the core of your business, which is not true. If you let this be the core of your business, then you're not really making money on autopilot, and the money you're making is not really passive, which makes his sales page a big lie, right? And on his sales page, he never mentions anything about you needing to invest into tools, right? Because believe it or not, like if you're new, squeeze pages, they need a domain name, right? That will cost you $13 to $15 every year. And, you know, it's not bad. It's not, you know, it's not going to break the bank, but web hosting is going to cost you around $10 every month. And this is important because it helps maintain your website on the internet. It makes it live so people can go and visit your website, right? So this is mandatory, basically. You don't have any choice around it. Another tool that you'll need is an autoresponder, which will cost you $20 every month, right? I mean, he doesn't tell you anything about these extra costs. And I don't really like Ewen's traffic generation strategies, even the free ones, right? The free ones he talks about are commenting on other blogs, social media marketing, forum marketing, and video marketing on YouTube, which is all good, but it's not gonna be on autopilot. You constantly have to be out there marketing your websites for you to get traffic and for you to make money. This is not autopilot to me, right? I'm really disappointed because he does not show you how to generate traffic using SEO techniques, which is where the autopilot money comes in. And, you know, it's free. Why doesn't he teach you that? I actually get 90% of my traffic from SEO strategies, meaning, you know, from Google, Bing, and Yahoo, right? I don't pay anything for that. I believe it's very important because that's where all the automation comes in. I mean, I was away on vacation this month and I didn't work for even one day while I was away. I was away for 10 days and I still made money. That's what true automation is about. And I was able to do that using SEO techniques. But anyways, if you truly want automation with the techniques that he shows you, so solely looking at the traffic generation techniques that he shows you, then solo ads is the way to go. And basically, solo ads is renting another marketer's email list to promote your products, right? But it costs a lot of money, especially if the list you're targeting is highly responsive and highly converting. So watch out for that. They're expensive. And one thing that I don't really agree with is that there are tons of upsells. There's probably like 10 upsells right here. If you go to the home page, I think it's on the home page. Yep, here you go. Upsell number 1. This goes to John Crestani's super affiliate system, which is legit, but you're going to end up spending upwards of $500 with this, right? So I don't recommend it. That's the first upsell. You have another one right here, and this points to Michael Cheney's free webinar, but then again, you still have to invest in it in order to make any money with the system. Going up here, all these, I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? I mean, he has 10 upsells. Most of it is his own products, but you know, all these are upsells. He's just pitching systems to you so he can make more money, right? I mean, I wouldn't trust him because he's only looking at his own pocket, right? He's not even teaching you anything worthwhile here, and he's ripping you off with the coaching videos, right? It's not even worth the $37 that you're paying. But anyways, I'm going to close off this review now by telling you that I don't think that there's much value that's offered for the price of $37. And, you know, especially if you have an understanding of how email and affiliate marketing work. If you're a newbie, then it's different. You will learn a few things by investing into this course, but it still is not worth the $37, right? Because the information can be found for free on the internet anyways. I would put a $10 price tag on this. It's a total ripoff. I also won't recommend this training because I believe that the traffic generation strategies here are just lacking. It's very misleading to tell you that you'll be able to make money on autopilot with the strategies he shows you because it's just not true. People won't trust you if you don't have an established presence online, and your sales will suffer as well, right? With this system, it is possible to make money, but you'll only be able to make a few bucks here and there. You won't make the thousands of dollars that Ewen so buoyantly flashes at you within his sales page. Oh, and you definitely won't make money by doing nothing. That's why the training is there in the first place, because you have to work for it. If you didn't have to work for it, then there wouldn't be any training, right? So I'm definitely not recommending money on demand. It's now up to you whether you choose to invest in this system, but you know, if you have $19 with you, let me show you a system that will be worth your time and money. Here's a system that I recommend. I'm going to put a link in the video description below. So, like I told you, I went on vacation a while back for around 10 days and I was still able to make money even if I didn't put in any work. And I told you that that's what true automation is about, right? And I was able to achieve this due to SEO strategies, ranking my website on the search engines. So I'm able to get visitors to my website for free on autopilot and free. And I learned this SEO strategy from a one-of-a-kind training platform that I'm sure you'll also enjoy, right? It's called Wealthy Affiliate. It's got all the training you need, all the tools, all the support. It's going to help you build a real business online. And if you have $19, then I would highly recommend that you try out the system for 30 days. It does not have to be, it does not have a money guarantee, but it does have a free trial. The trial is usually enough for you to get a feel of the system, but if you need more time, that's where the $19 comes in. So you get an additional 30 days by paying this the $19. So as you can see here, it's way less than what Ewan wants to charge you, and you learn way better strategies too, right? These are strategies that work. And you also get everything that you need. You can get a free website on a subdomain. Web hosting is included. The tools you need, all the tools you need are included. The training is there. You also get live webinars every Friday. And, it's followed by a live Q&A as well. It's everything that John Crestani's training does, but it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. So that's why I would highly recommend that you join Wealthy Affiliate for free. Try it out and see how you like it. And this is the end of this review. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you inside Wealthy Affiliate very soon. Thanks, guys.